Today we're going to be taking a look at rates, but not the kind you're thinking of. We're not going to be talking about the kind like how much distance does a car travel at this speed in this amount of minutes. Although the concept is the same, we're going to be going over the kind that's like how much time would it take a worker to do a job, or a chickens to lay eggs, or paint a house or something like that. But we're going to be looking at distance rates and things like that in a future video. Okay, so let's take a look at our question. If 6 chickens can lay 48 eggs in 4 days, how many eggs will 10 chickens lay in 5 days? So there are two ways to approach this problem. There's a slick way with a cool formula that I'm about to show you, and another way which it takes slightly longer, but it's a good way to understand the fundamentals of it. Okay, so the formula I'm about to show you is this. So productivity over the workers times the time taken is equal to, now I'm going to abbreviate them, but they're basically the same. So productivity over workers times time. So one of them is the given and the other is what we're going to solve for. So let's substitute things in. So when I mean productivity, I mean like what they did. So in this case, it's the chickens laying 48 eggs. So the productivity is 48, which is the number of eggs they laid, over the workers, which is 6 chickens, times the time, which is 4 days, equals, and now we're going to plug this one in. So the productivity, which is how many eggs we want. So this is our unknown, the one variable in our equation. So we'll keep it P for now. Over the workers, 10, times the time, 5 days. And because these are all in the same units, we don't have to worry about any unit cancellation or conversions. But watch out for those. So let's just finish this off. So we know this and this is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And this is just 50. So 2 equals P by 50. So P equals 100. And we've solved it. So that should be our answer. There's 100 eggs that will be laid by 10 chickens in 5 days. So now let's take a look at the other method, the one to help understand the fundamentals. If we have 6 chickens laying 48 eggs and in 4 days, if we want how many eggs per day per chicken. So basically, one chicken would lay how many eggs per day. So first off, we can divide this number by 6 to get 8 eggs in 4 days for one chicken, right? Because if there's 6 chickens and 48 eggs, that means one chicken made 8 of those eggs in 4 days. So basically, and now we want how many in 1 day. So we can divide this by 4, right? So every day he made 2 eggs. Or she, yeah. Okay, so if one chicken in 1 day makes 2 eggs, then we want times 10. So 2, because that's the amount that one chicken can make in a day, times 10, because there's 10 chickens, times 5. 5 days, right? Distance equals speed times time, basically. That's our formula, except in this case, distance is like the amount of eggs that he laid, or she laid. Jeez, why do I keep saying that? Anyway, this is 100, and we've checked our other answer. So these kind of questions are math counselors' like favorite task, especially in the chapter state and the early national level too, but it's also in the pre-calculus curriculum. Anyway, this is a very handy tool, especially the first formula I taught you. That'll come in real handy, especially when you're looking to save time.